Talks for list talks and char speaking talks. My name is Ana Cristina Mosquera Torres. I am 27 years old. I live in the city of Pereiras. I am currently studying the police accounting program. Last Christmas, I was to travel for Medellin. Today, we are going to prepare chicken sancocho. For this, we'll need basic ingredients: half chicken, one onion, one tomato, four cloves of garlic, one lemon, one peel and tomato, one carrot, one half potato, two half of cassava, two green banana, salt, coriander and color to taste, cilantro. Preparation. First we cook the chicken into pieces, put it in a pot with lemon and salt, leave for 5 minutes. Then wash the chicken well and to bring into a bowl. Then lower a chop the onion, tomato, and garlic into small pieces. And the we place fry, then add the chicken, chop cilantro, and let it fry very well. Then add the yuca, the banana, and the cut into pieces. The we add the grilled carrot, filling with add 2 liters of water, coloring magic, and salt to taste, and cover the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Then lower the pot, add the cilantro, add the sancocho is ready. Invitation to try this delicious dish. I invite you to come and visit my beautiful city, which is Pereira, and try delicious sancocho. Thank you very much.